and I know that you guys actually need these tips because you will need it from someone like me because we are both growing at the same time. And so these are what you need to know to start a YouTube channel, and these are the things I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For new people just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Toyin, hence the name That Girl Toyin for my YouTube channel. So for the year 2021, my channel will actually be having a little spice added to it, you know, a little atagungu, a little pepper, a little black pepper, and a little Cameron pepper. Okay, that's the same thing. But my channel will be having that little spice to it. I'll still be doing my reaction videos, my challenges, trust me. But I guess you guys have observed from my last two videos that I did a movie review, and I titled it The Good, Bad, and Ugly. That'll be a series that I've actually been doing for now till I don't know whenever I'll stop seeing movies, but I definitely won't stop seeing movies. So guys, that's what I'll be doing. So now this is another change I'm introducing. I want to add tips to my channel, how to grow your channel, YouTube growth, like what you need to know on YouTube, why you are on YouTube, because I myself, I'm also an upcoming YouTuber, and I know that you guys actually need these tips because you will need it from someone like me because we are both growing at the same time. And so these are what you need to know to start a YouTube channel. These are the things I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel. So please guys, if you are new and you want to start a new YouTube channel, please watch to the end to know the things I didn't know, that avoid any mistake that comes your way. YouTube is actually a platform where you can upload videos, and these videos are, this video gets to a lot of people, gets to a lot of viewers, have impressions, have this, have that. So these are the things you need to know, and these are the things I wish I knew, because I started my YouTube channel just like, okay, let me just upload one random video, and that was it. I didn't do the usual introduction video. So my number one thing that I want you guys to know is, when you want to open a YouTube channel, know, first of all, know the what, the who, and the why. Know what your channel will be all about, know who you are doing it for, and know why you are doing it. Don't just open a channel in the sense that, because if you don't know those three, the who, the what, and the why, you won't be able to, let me say, you'll be consistent with your videos. Let me just put it that way, because you need to know the, okay, this is who I'm doing it for, these are my viewers, this is the reason why I'm doing it, and this is what I'm doing it for. And like, you need to know the what, you, and why. That is one thing. So once you know that, you actually have to do an introduction video. I didn't do that introduction video. That's the mistake I made. I didn't do it, and I made that mistake, and now I'm not really regretting because people know what my channel is all about, but I didn't do that. So once you want to start your YouTube channel, please and please start with an introduction video. That is one. And two, get to know what you want to do. Get to know, okay, if you are good at singing, if you are good at dancing. And soon I'll be having a video titled YouTube Ideas, so you guys can actually watch that. For starters like you guys need to know, okay, this is what I need to know. Then what are the ideas I need to know? Because you need to get ideas. Get your ideas. If you can sing, if you can dance, if you can cook, if it's gaming, if it is reaction videos, if it is challenges, if it's pranks, if it's business, like anything business related, like Dan Locke is actually a business related man. Be it on tips, DIYs, lifestyle, travel vlog, anything you want to do, get that idea. And also get to know your niche. I get the fact that people don't really get to know their niche when they are new, because they'll be like, okay, why do I have to stick with one video? My videos actually, YouTube algorithm is actually very, you know, let me say it's very wonderful, because it can just happen, and videos, like 2-3 of your videos that you never expected to actually be out there will just get out there and then be like. So I think knowing your niche is actually good, but also spicing things up is not that bad, because you don't know the kind of video that YouTube actually bring out to the world. I follow Miss Kelechi, and the video that even brought her out very well was when she followed a makeup routine, and that video is almost at 700k views right now, and that's what brought her up. And she does a lot of things, YouTube tips, business, vlog, so you guys can actually spice it up and know what you want. I have a vision board. Okay, the vision board will stay, okay, this is what I want for the year for my YouTube channel, these are my subscribers I want for the end of the year, this is what I want to do for the end of the year, okay, this is at this amount of watch time I want to beat YouTube algorithm, I want to do this, I want to do that. So make sure you have a vision board, your do's and your don'ts, your pros and your cons. Then after you know your, okay, this is what I need, get your ideas listed down too. Once you know your ideas, you don't have any problem uploading videos. And also the setting up, trust me, I had a lot of issues with my setting up. I still have issues with setting up right now, but if you know you are very, like, you can easily set up, like have your camera, have your lens, have everything, and it won't cost you much. You can actually get your lens the camera lens, get your camera, get your reflector or your ring lights, get your microphone is actually very important for people to be able to hear you. Get what those things are actually what you need to put in place for your setup. You need like cameras at different angles. So if you actually really want to start, but really I believe anyone can start a YouTube channel with even a very low, let's say low camera. Let me say the camera of the phone is not clear. Trust me, you can start with that. But as time goes on, you will learn and see things online. So after your vision board, after getting your idea, after knowing your niche, then what you need to understand is, okay, YouTube is not a platform where you can play. YouTube has YouTube policies. You have to follow their YouTube policies. They have a lot of policies. You can read them and also get to watch videos online. I'll actually be uploading a lot of tutorial videos on how to go about knowing where your dashboard is, knowing how you can get your videos, addition of end screens, addition of cards, like where you need to go to YouTube Studio in YouTube. Like once you're on YouTube Studio, you can actually click on your icon where your face, where your profile shows, and then you see your channel, YouTube Studio, and rest. Click on YouTube Studio, then it will take you directly to your dashboard. And then while you're on your dashboard, you can actually check whatever you want to check on your videos. What again you need to know is how to do thumbnails, because I remember when I opened my YouTube channel and I don't know do re mi fa sol la ti do of thumbnails. Trust me, my thumbnails were just picture of myself. Like I didn't know how to create thumbnails, but then I had to download apps like PicArt, I had to download apps like Canva on my phone to actually help me create thumbnails. Because I remember for my first 3-4 videos I was using was it Photogrid? I was using InShot. I think I was using InShot to create my thumbnails. Then after I had to watch online. So you can actually get PicArt, get Canva from Google Play Store or from Apple Store, any kind of store you are using, and then you can actually download PicArt, download Canva. Don't worry, I'm going to set up a tutorial on how you can use those things. I'm going to set up a tutorial for you guys on how to be able to use PicArt and Canva if you are new. Thumbnails actually play a very important role in YouTube because people search videos online a lot of time, and then people actually search, and once your video gets ranked like number 1, number 2, and then they see, okay, this thumbnail is not okay, this thumbnail is not, you know, appealing to the eyes, they tend to go to the 3rd or 4th or 5th person. So ensure that your thumbnails are actually very good. I'm going to do a tutorial on that, on how to create good thumbnails. Also know the use of keywords, the use of SEOs, and also the use of tags. Okay, trust me, I didn't know all this till I made a video on, I can't really remember the video, but I think it was, I made a video on I'm trying to remember, but I think it was when I was reacting to different cakes or so. Like cakes, yes, realistic cakes, yes, I remember. That was when I knew, okay, I'm meant to be adding tags, I'm meant to be adding keywords, and that was when I was able to download TubeBuddy app. Trust me, that TubeBuddy app will help you a lot. So the apps you need are PicArt and Canva to do your thumbnails. The app you need that has to be attached to your YouTube channel is TubeBuddy. Though it comes to a price, but you can actually start without, you know, a price, like without paying it. There's this free trial, or let's say something free that you can actually start with, and it actually helps a lot. I think that's what really helped me get, like, one of my videos got to 6.6k views or so, and that's the video I did when I was reacting to Victoria Day in car. I used TubeBuddy app for that, and surprise, lo and behold, it was actually very good. So that's when I knew, okay, I had to be adding tags, I had to be adding SEOs, I had to be adding keywords to my videos. I didn't know, because once you beat that, YouTube will rank your video number 1 or number 2 or number 3, depending on how good your keywords are, how good your SEOs are, how good your tags are. So ensure you use tags in your videos. So this is for new YouTubers, people who want to start YouTube in 2021. I wish I knew this, and you're seeing it's coming from a small YouTuber also to you guys. This is what you need to know about YouTube: the SEO, the algorithm, your audience. You need to know, okay, this is where my audience are from, what kind of videos, and that's also, you need to follow the YouTube policies. YouTube has a lot of rules so that you'll be able to, so that your videos can get monetized at the end of the day. There are a lot of rules that YouTube has set in place. This is what I'm going to tell to small YouTubers, even as myself, I'm also small too. I just have how many subscribers. So this is what I have to say: ensure that we keep on fighting, we keep on going, you keep being consistent, because we don't know the kind of video might just pop up and just get us out there to the world. So that's what I just have to say to new YouTubers: get your ideas, get your niche, know how to use SEOs, know how to use keywords. And if you want to continue to follow me, I promise I'm going to be doing more tutorials. We all need to be consistent. Consistency is key. So these are the things I actually wish I knew. So I'm telling you guys now, these are the things you need to know, and these are the things, because YouTube is like a school. You learn, and once you learn something, you can never forget it, trust me. And if you want to make YouTube like what you feed on, because some people just use YouTube as a side hustle, like myself, is a side hustle for me. But some people actually use it as full-time jobs. So even if you really want to make it a full-time, you have to be serious and be dropping content and be consistent. So that's what I have to say to new YouTubers that just want to open a channel in 2021, and it's not too late to open a channel in 2021. This is the spice that my channel will be receiving. I'll still be doing my reaction videos and challenges, but in order to teach you guys what I've learned over the past 8 months while being on YouTube, this is what you need to know. So thank you guys for watching, and please kindly click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.